Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Braun thermometer from Fahrenheit to Celsius. It's a common need and, thankfully, a very straightforward process. Before we begin, please make sure your thermometer is completely powered off. Also, double-check that you have working batteries inside. This quick adjustment will allow you to get temperature readings in your preferred unit. To start, find the main power button on your Braun thermometer. Now, press and hold this button down firmly. You'll need to keep holding it for about 3 seconds. During this time, you'll notice the display screen will begin to cycle through the available temperature scales, showing both Fahrenheit and Celsius options. As the display cycles, carefully watch for the Celsius symbol, which looks like a small circle followed by the letter C. The very moment you see the Celsius scale appear on the screen, release the power button. You should hear a short, confirming beep, indicating that your selection has been successfully registered by the thermometer. After you release the button and hear the beep, your Braun thermometer will automatically power itself down. This is a normal part of the process, confirming that the change has been saved. The next time you turn on your device, it will display temperatures in Celsius. You are now all set to take accurate readings in your preferred measurement unit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.